Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get 3 epics avatar or soldier in this new event. So you can get it free by collecting a token. So let's see how we do it. Click the events banner at the left of your screen. Click the feature. As you can see, there are a lot event feature in here, feature events. So this is this is deck tog operation supply. As you can see, there are 1 2 3. 1, the ghost health. This is epic free skin or soldier. It's quite cool from Call of Duty Ghosts. And there are Captain Price from Call of Duty Modern Warfare. This is the bio. And also you can get it. This is the last one, John Soap using hazmat. So if you want to get them free, what you need to do is collecting dog tag. So this is the detail. Earn this token by completing mission and exchange them for amazing rewards. So this is the mission. Click the bottom of the exchange store. This is. So you have to log in for 15 days, total 15 days, to get all of this token, total 60. And also this is the mission. For example, kill 10 enemies in multiplayer mode or stay online for 15 minutes. I already got it. You can get it 1. So total there are 65 until 15 days. So what you need to do is completing the mission, and also there will be upcoming mission. So stay tuned and keep playing the game. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.